Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Ellie and this is Ellie's Everyday. This channel started in 2016 and back then it was called Ellie's Everyday Sourdough because my first video was about sourdough bread making. I had no idea that it would take off the way it has, and for a while now I've been putting my soap making videos up as well as a few other things that I'm interested in. I'm just an everyday person who's got some interest in a few different areas, and I really like to help people to learn all the tricks and tips in the particular interest areas that I have to make life easier. Thanks for coming by, it's nice to see you. I hope you enjoy the videos. Please check out my playlist, you'll see a whole stack of videos in a few different areas there, mainly soap making and sourdough bread making though. Thanks, bye.